Welcome to today's practice. If you're new to Yin Yoga or curious about starting, you're in the right place. In this short video, I'll guide you through what Yin Yoga is, how it works, and walk you step by step through a beginner-friendly 30-minute full-body routine. Yin Yoga is a slow, meditative style of yoga that targets deep connective tissues like fascia, ligaments, and joints. Unlike active or yang practices, Yin postures are held for several minutes, allowing the body to soften and release tension. It's great for flexibility, mobility, relaxation, and stress reduction, perfect for beginners who want a gentle yet effective practice. For today's 30-minute intro routine, all you need is a mat, a pillow or yoga block, and a comfortable, quiet space. Wear clothing that lets you relax and move easily. Before we start, a few tips. Move slowly and mindfully into each pose. Never force your body. Aim for a mild to moderate stretch, not pain. Use props whenever you need support. And most importantly, focus on your breath. Slow, steady breathing helps your muscles and fascia soften. Here's the full 30-minute beginner routine you can follow after this video. I'll briefly walk you through each pose and its benefits. 1. Butterfly pose, 3 minutes. Sit with the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall wide. Fold forward gently. This opens your hips and lower back. 2. Half butterfly, 2 minutes each side. Extend one leg out. Fold over it while the other foot comes toward the inner thigh. Great for hamstrings and side body release. 3. Sphinx Pose, 3 minutes. Lying on your belly, rise onto your forearms. This gently targets the lower back and stimulates the spine. 4. Child's Pose, 3 minutes. A grounding posture that lengthens the spine and relaxes the hips. 5. Supported Caterpillar, 5 minutes. Sit with legs extended, fold forward, and use a pillow for support. Excellent for the back body and calming the nervous system. 6. Supine Twist, 2 minutes each side. Lying on your back, drop both knees to one side. Releases the spine and massages the organs. 7. Final Rest, Savasana, 3 minutes. Relax fully on your back. This allows the body and mind to absorb the practice. And that's your beginner's guide to Yin Yoga. When you're ready, follow this full 30-minute sequence at your own pace. If you enjoyed this intro, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me for more calming practices.